Okay, next stance is called Shuto Henmai. It's required in a few katas, and it's also needed in a few traditional movements as well. So Shuto Henmai, basic cat stance. Okay, so from here what you do, you put your left foot in front, you bring the heel off the floor. Okay, the reason why you do this is defensive position. While you're getting your heel off the floor, it actually promotes you to put more weight on your back leg, which means it's going to be easier for you to get that leg up and obviously deliver kicks and everything else. So from here, doing it properly, you'll step in, just come here, upright, and from there you can just block in front. Okay, that's the basic Shuto stance. Don't worry about the hands. I'll show you the hands in the technique explanation slides. I'll show you under the stance. So from there, it's just here, upright. Okay, that's the basic stance. Okay, that's basic Shuto stance. And that's it.